If you're just starting out on YouTube, this is the video for you. Last week, I showed you guys everything that you needed to know to optimize the front end of your brand new YouTube channel. And that is everything that your viewers see. But now, today, I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know on the back end to optimize your channel and make your life so much easier when it comes to uploading videos. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm Gwendolyn. I'm the content creator's best friend. I'm here to simplify video creation for you so that you can get back to what's most important in your business. So today I've got something really great for you. I've got a great series. This whole month is going to be all about YouTube. So if you are just getting into YouTube, that's okay. Maybe you're really great on Facebook or you're really great on Instagram or whatever, and you're ready to start YouTube. Don't worry, you're not too late. This is an awesome platform. It's so powerful for marketing nowadays. I'm proud of you for being here. Today we're talking all about the back end, so if you missed the last video, go ahead and watch it again. It is all about the front end and everything that your viewers see. Today we're talking all about everything that's gonna make your life easier on the back end, and only you can see these things, but it's definitely going to help you in the long run. And so today I am just helping you, and with the series, I just wanna help you guys set up your channel the right way the first time so that you're not having to fix things along the way. I also have something really special to show you guys, and I showed you guys this last week, but I have my 24-page YouTube workbook. And this has everything from step-by-step guides to checklists to worksheets. Everything you need for starting a channel in 2020. And a lot of changes have been made on YouTube's behalf. And I'm really excited that I went ahead and redid this because I got to see all the new changes and I'm excited to share them with you guys. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell if you're enjoying the content and you want to see what's coming out next for you guys, and you definitely want to see the next video. Let me know in the comments below, is there anything about YouTube that's scary or just uncomfortable or you just hate having to do? I want to hear about it because maybe we can make your life a little bit easier on this channel. Now let's dive into my computer so I can show you all the steps along the way. Hey guys, so we are inside of my computer. Last week I showed you everything that your audience sees. Now let's go into the back end of YouTube and learn a bit more about the things that you can optimize to get more subscribers and to make your life easier when it comes to uploading your content. So first of all, when you're on your YouTube screen, you can come to YouTube Studio here, or you can come over here to your face or whatever your icon is for your channel, and you can go into YouTube Studio here. Two different ways, but they go to the same place. Okay, so now we are in YouTube Studio. This is everything that you're going to need to see to run your channel. Now, I am not going into things like your analytics or those types of things. I'm gonna just focus on the settings that you need to set in place to optimize your future uploads, okay? So the three things I wanna talk to you about today is I'm gonna show you how to fix your upload default so that saves time with every upload. I'm gonna show you how to add a watermark so you can gain subscribers quickly. And I'm gonna show you your advanced channel settings so that you can have tags for your channels and be found a little easier. So let's dive right in. So everything that you're gonna wanna do is right here in settings. Come over to settings. And first, let's talk about upload defaults. Why is this important? Well, this is something that can really save time for you with every upload. I'm gonna quickly run through everything that you need to know here, but basically, you're gonna wanna leave your title empty because hopefully you are doing specific titles for SEO purposes for each video. So I wouldn't try to use the same title every time, so leave that one blank. When it comes to your description, there's probably a few things that you're gonna have to type over and over and over again. So yes, you still need a description that is specific to the video you are creating. However, I have things that I like to link to, like my favorite content planner with an affiliate link. I like to tell people how I film. I also have links to all my socials and funnels. So all that is in here, and I don't wanna type it every single time. That is where you're going to put this, and then every upload after this point will have that information automatically there. And I'm going to show you that on the next video when I talk about how to upload with the new YouTube upload. It's so exciting and I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so your description, once that's filled out, I would I prefer that I do all my uploads as unlisted because that gives me time to optimize them after they're uploaded. If they're not under unlisted, then your audience gets everything. A video without a thumbnail, they get a video without tags. Usually your subscribers get to see everything. Set this to unlisted or private so that you can make sure that everything is perfect before it goes out to your audience. Now, tags are going to be something that's really just generic for the majority of your uploads. You can edit them here in the future if you find that your channel's kind of going in a different direction, but you can also edit them when you upload. And again, I'll show you that in the next video when we talk about uploads. I would just recommend putting the general knowledge around, the general tags that are around there. And you can put long tail tags. So as you can see, I have long tail tags, which is an entire sentence. It's not just one keyword. Whatever you want here, and you can edit them later in the upload. So just because they're here doesn't mean they're set forever for every upload. So that is your upload defaults, and it's going to save you a ton of time if you go ahead and plug this stuff in and take the time to consider what you want in every single description. Next, I want to show you guys some channel settings that will be really great. Now, your channel keywords are for when people are searching for a certain topic. So let's say that you are a cooking channel and you do a lot of vegan recipes, but you also do keto vegan recipes or whatever. Make sure that all those tags are inside. And this is, again, for your channel. The other tags were for your uploads, okay? I would suggest doing as many tags that you can think of here for your channel so that you are easier to be found. You can also put your country here. That's pretty much what I want you to worry about in your basic info of your channel. And the last step that I want to show you guys is branding, and that's your watermark. I will show you what the watermark looks like. You probably see it right now at the bottom of the video, and it has this picture. Now, what that is an 800 by 800 picture. For me, that's the size that I picked. Now, YouTube will tell you that it's preferred to have a transparent background. I don't put mine on a transparent background because I think it stands out a little more, but you can do whatever you want with that photo. But basically, anyone who hovers over this box, and if you hover over it right now, it'll tell you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. This is one of the best ways to go ahead and gain subscribers when you're starting out. So I suggest that you go ahead and do that here. And then you can choose when it comes on. I have mine on the entire video, so it pops up as soon as the video starts and it's there the whole time. However, you can do a custom time or you can start it at the end of the video. The reason I don't do it at the end of the video is because I have that option with end screens. And if you don't know about end screens, we can go into that later. Let me know in the comments below if you need more information about end screens. But for right now, this is really going to help, and I suggest you put it for entire video, an 800 by 800 picture, and not on a transparent background like YouTube suggests. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you guys can see the next couple of videos coming out in this YouTube series. And of course, grab your free workbook. First of all, it's free. Second of all, it has everything that was in this video along with so much more. My favorite part of this workbook is actually the worksheets where you guys can figure out the vibe of your channel and really nail down your target audience. There's a content calendar in this and so much more. You guys don't want to miss it. So I will see you guys next week when we talk more about YouTube.